So if we were at 30 and a half, so we're halfway between 30 and 31, then our carpet would be too long because our wall stops right here. So we would have this much extra carpet. So would that work if we had here and we put down carpet and all of a sudden we would have leftover carpet going up our wall? So that's why it can be useful to get really close to the exact number that we want, even if it's less than our whole numbers. Okay? So I want you guys to draw a number line from 0 to 1, just as I have here. So remember, we can divide this from 0 to 1 into equal parts into whatever we want, as close as we want to get. So we can do, let's say, 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 1/10, 2/10, 3, 4, 5, 6/10, 9/10. And I would like you to fill in any of the blanks here. So we divided our 1 into 10 equal smaller parts to make one whole. Now for the assignment down here, I have you drawing 3 number lines to practice from 0 to 1. So I want you to come up with breaking up into equal parts in a couple different ways and labeling them. So this one we broke up together into 10 equal parts. You could, for example, break up from 0 to 1 into 5, or let's say 6 equal parts. So we have 1 out of 6, 2 out of 6, 3 out of 6, 4 out of 6, 5 out of 6. And what is our one whole equal? We know that that is 6 parts out of 6 to make our whole. The other thing I would like you to do is if you can come up with 2 items that would be useful to know the exact distance of. So I said the shoe and I said the carpet to measure out for a wall. Now if you could come up with 2 items, it can be whatever you want. The next thing I would like you to do is measure, if you have a ruler or a tape measure at home, an object to the exact place. And so I want you to guess exactly how far is that. Because we could say that this pencil is about 7, but I think it might be a little further than 7 if we look really close. Okay? So I want you to do that with an object at home where you're getting the exact distance. It can be whatever measurement you want of an object. So kind of have fun. You can do a stuffed animal, you can do a pen, you could do a paper clip, anything you would like. If you want to make it similar to how we are doing here with the 0 to 1, then you would get an object that is smaller than 1 inch. So you would measure from 0 to 1, and let's say, for example, it was our cube here. We would say that cube is less than 1, and we would just count the number of equal parts to tell us that this cube is about 3 parts out of 4. Okay, hope you guys have fun. I will post the an assignment page so you can follow that as well as this video. And I'll be there to answer any questions next week that you may have.